ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Welcome to Campus Side, the show that brings you news from colleges around Mangalore. This is Sina Matthew. Let's have a look at this week's news headlines.
A fantabulous fest dazzled the campus of St. Aloysius. NSS celebrates Kalaspandana, a healthy youth for healthy nation. A fruitful seminar on leadership building by Crest. Synergy stunt with the theme Entertainment Industry.
St. Aloysius College witnessed 3 days Aloysian Fest 2013, which exhibited variety of academic and cultural talents.
St. Aloysius College witnessed its flagship event Aloysian Fest 2013, which created a platform for academic and cultural talents.
In moments like these, lift up my hands, lift up my voice to the Lord, singing I love you, Lord.
The 3-day Grand Fest was inaugurated in the college by the dignitaries. The chief guest of the occasion, Mr. Jairam Bhatt, CEO of Karnataka Bank, said, St. Aloysius College is training its students to become the best leaders of country. This fest shows the creativity and discipline of students.
I always say that St. Aloysius College has maintained this discipline throughout the so many years, and it is continuing for further years. As far as your ability is concerned, do not lower your goals to the level of your abilities. Instead, raise your abilities to the height of your goals.
Rector of the college, Reverend Father Joseph Rodriguez SJ, said, all-round development should be the main goal of education. Education is learning from each other. Youth should be with positive energy to build the country.
At St. Aloysius College and institutions, integral education for all-round development is given importance. Sarvatomukha Belavanige. A good personality consists of distinctive character or qualities of a person. So personality is not mere external appearance of height, color, beauty, looks, etc. But it is about having a lively character of noteworthy qualities, charming, appealing, outstanding, all-round development of teamwork and relationships and working with others, etc., etc.
Reverend Father Swibert De Silva SJ, principal of the college, in his address said, the college in its 133 years of service created many leaders who are the pride of this great institution today.
Too much of classroom study is of no good in today's world, where people are asked to work in teams, where group working is the hallmark of a youngster, where the ability to communicate is the most important requirement, where the ability to deal with people is another very important aspect. In all such situations, an occasion like this of the College Fest is an important venture through which we are able to train our students.
This year, for the first time, 4 separate fests have organized under one umbrella called Aloysian Fest 2013.
This year, RPED is called as RPED Kaleidoscope 2013, Perception Redefined. So the theme of RPED is Kaleidoscope itself. The intention of this name was considering all the different variety of faculties that we have under the arts faculty, we see the variety, diversity among the students, just like a kaleidoscope, how different colors and patterns come together to form one combined pattern. That's what we consider our students to be. Everyone comes together to make one arts faculty.
Main thing is, since you are India, my background is sir, your background is yes, sir, definitely. All Indians are target markets. It's a mass product, so it's not premium segment or something of that sort. So, how much
Fest, the imprints this time has a theme called Tribute to the Revolutionists, and there are exhibition. Tribute to the Revolutionists is our theme, and our events and our exhibition is basically based on that. The decoration that we did for the exhibition is on that. Like we have a moon, then a rocket for Neil Armstrong, then there is an apple for Steve Jobs, and then there are different events like Rise of the Dead, which is a mock press on past away microbiologists. Then there is the different events like there is a quiz, IT quiz. Then there is Willy Wonka and the Chemical Factory, which is chemistry-based event. And there are many such events. There is also Star of Imprints, which has various levels on which a person's personality will be judged.
In addition to this, Alosia, the Sports Fest also organized, which has throwball, football and basketball competition for men and women. St. Aloysius College won the overall championship. There were 12 teams from different colleges of state. Reverend Father Francis Almeida SJ, Vice Principal, and Reverend Father Melvin Ticuna SJ distributed the prizes to the winners.
The overall championship of Spin-Out, the Department Fest of BBM, was grabbed by Christ College, Bangalore, whereas Jains College, Bangalore became the champions of ACME, the Department Fest of BCom. Roshni Nilaya, School of Social Work, earned the right to lift the overall championship trophy of Artbeat, the Department Fest of BA and BSW. The overall championship of Imprints, the Fest of BSc and BCA, was won by MGM Udupi.
We have like 14 teams coming for the Spin-Out this year, and I think the fest rocks this year. It's nice. It's different from the last year fest because we have it's a whole. It's one college fest. It's not like separate like Spin-Out, ACME and all. It's a one college fest, so it's fun. It's nice being a part of it.
Let's have a short break.